Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete all of your check-ins on your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Go to your profile. Go to three dots right here. Go to the activity log. Here you can see public post. Now here you can see your post, check-ins, photos and videos. Just tap right here. And here are all of your check-ins videos. To delete those videos, all you have to do is just tap on three dots and just simply tap on delete. And that video is deleted from your account now. So this is how you can easily delete your check-ins on your Facebook. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.